Hello leaders! Kamusta kayo? Today, let's talk about something important. Have you ever felt frustrated because some of your team members seem resistant sa mga instructions? Or maybe you're wondering bakit kahit anong effort mo, some of your people still end up leaving. Story time muna tayo. Minsan sa isang team meeting, sabi ng leader, bakit hindi ka nakapag-report on time? You need to prioritize this. Make time for it. Sabi naman ng salesperson na hesitant, pero po may client meeting kasi ako noon kaya hindi pa siya tapos, sabi ng leader. Walang excuses. If you want to succeed, kailangan mong sundin ang process. Sounds familiar? Ang hirap, di ba? It feels like you're doing everything para mapasunod sila sa structure. Pero ito ang tanong, is this really effective? Or baka naman meron ibang paraan? Here's the thing, leaders. Leadership, it's not about control. It's about support. Kailangan nating intindihin na bawat tao ay may kanya-kanyang strengths, challenges, at motivations. Kapag masyado tayong nakafocus sa compliance, we lose sight of what truly matters, which is the connection. Tandaan natin ito, people don't follow leaders because they have to. They follow because they want to. Kapag ang tao mo ay sumusunod dahil lang sa takot, they may deliver results pero at what cost? Motivated ba talaga sila or they just trying to survive? Are they thriving or just counting days bago lumipat sa ibang opportunity? Next time, subukan mo ito. Instead of demanding, ask more questions. Minsan, it starts with, hey, napansin ko na nahihirapan ka sa bagong process. How can I help? Or, alam kong busy ka lately. Is there a better way na magawa natin ito? Kapag sinishift mo ang focus from telling to listening, you create a space kung saan nararamdaman ng tao na sila ay napapakinggan at pinahahalagahan. And when people feel valued, they give their best naturally. Leaders, it's time to change the game. Hindi natin kailangan maging perfect, but if we can lead with more empathy, we can build teams that are not just compliant, but engaged and inspired. Ngayon, I want you to think about this. Self-reflection time. Take a deep breath. Anong klaseng leader ka ngayon? Anong klaseng leader ang gusto mong maging? At ano ang maliit na pagbabago na pwede mong gawin ngayon to bring out the best in your team? Every day is an opportunity to grow as a leader. Gawin natin ang mga environments kung saan ang mga tao natin ay hindi lang nag-e-exist, but they thrive. Kasi sa huli, when you lead with empathy, you create a team that not only respects you, but wants to work alongside you. And that, my friends, is the foundation of true lasting success. Salamat sa panonood. No, if you found value in this, no, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content or leadership and growth. Hanggang sa susunod, let's lead with a heart.